What's going on, guys? It's your boy out here, Boom Boom Tisk. Thanks for tuning in. Today's a special day. This is a special video because I got something to show you guys. So, as you guys may know, a few months ago I was racing my Civic, 98 Civic Hatch, and I blew the motor. And there's the hole.
I can't do anything else.
That's how it ended. Spoiler alert. Put a hole in the front of the block the shape of a peanut. People have been asking me for the last few months, hey, what's up with the Civic? Do you still have it? What are you gonna do with it? Are you gonna fix it? And honestly, I just let it sit for a while. I mean, the whole quarantine thing hit, and I've been busy with the big blue van here, and it's just been really hot. And I've been busy with some other things too, so it's been kind of low on the list of things to do, but honestly, I still had to get it done, right? So, without further ado, let me show you the new. All right, folks. Let me introduce you to Old Dirty B 2.0. What we're looking at here is a ultra rare, super hard to find B20. Yeah, anyways, the high comp version of the B18B is rated at 147 horsepower to the crank and also makes a whopping 133 pound-feet of torque, which should be a considerable bump from the previous motor that was in here. JDM B18B LS. PLM header, Toyota style, to get rid of that super restrictive stock B20 exhaust manifold. LS intake manifold to replace the original B21. Some versions of the B20 came with a giraffe style intake manifold that's really tall and probably wouldn't clear between the strut bar here. It seems to be the common thing to swap over to the LS intake manifold. And seeing as how I still had everything complete, including the fuel rails and all that, injectors, it was just a straight swap over, so it was kind of a no-brainer to just go ahead and do that. Got a Honda thermal intake manifold gasket, which is supposed to give you about 4% increase in power by running a little bit cooler. I got it because I figured it'd be better to have something that is reusable in case I decide to upgrade to a different type of intake manifold later on. Moroso baffled pan here. Holds the same amount, it's like 4.5 quarts I believe. Our 1Rs are still looking pretty new, even after one autocross day. And to finish off the 2.5 exhaust system, I got this JDM Fujitsubo Axleback Exhaust piece. It fits on there okay. I probably could modify the hangers a little bit, but I ain't tripping, so that's what we're running for now. I'll get you guys a sound clip here in a second. I was able to swap over most of my parts that were still good from the old motor, as you can see here with this distributor and these nice looking NGK spark plug wires. Also reused the timing belt kit, the water pump from the old motor because I just replaced that last year. Still got a couple things that need to be sorted out to make this more reliable and more drivable. Needs a new alternator belt. That one is old and couldn't reuse the one on my B18 because the crank pulley on the B20 is a little bit bigger. Valve stem seals will probably need to be replaced because she's a smoker. That's pretty much it for now. I mean, just the basic B20 bolt-ons, something simple and fun, simple and effective. I'm pretty stoked to see what this will do. Just wanted to say shout outs to Andrew Fong, TP Auto Repair, for getting the motor in. Shout outs to Justin, aka Subtledriver, for checking it out, helping me find the motor and just doing the other stuff like compression tests on it.
Which finger am I holding up?
Giving me tips and all that goodness. And shout outs to you for watching. So stay tuned, like and subscribe. You know what to do. Have a good one. Peace. 2.0, live in effect, live and direct. Team No VTech.
Why the